Symbaloo is a visual bookmarking tool that makes it simple to organize your favorite websites or digital resources. Here are several examples of Symbaloo web mixes that I have created for this eLife class. Notice that the tiles can be grouped together and each tile can be labeled and given a specific icon. Take a few minutes to explore some of the groups and website links that are listed. This should be a tremendous resource for you as you navigate various college and career searches. Your first step is to create a Symbaloo account if you don't already have one. The best way to do this is go to www.edu.symbaloo.com or use the links provided for you in the lesson. You can sign up for an account by using the username and password feature, or you can log in by using your JCS Google Plus account. Once you have logged into Symbaloo, you will see that it provides you with several web mixes which already have pre-populated useful websites. The Home and Tools web mixes are available to edit, but the other three have a lock next to the name which designates these are not available for edit. In the middle of the web mix is a widget that usually is set to Google, but you can search for additional widgets that have a variety of resources. There are several ways to find web mixes. The first way is to select the eLife Intro Symbaloo web mix link that I have provided for you and select the Add This Web Mix button. This will add a view-only copy to your Symbaloo account. Note the lock next to the name. The next option is to use the Add a Web Mix link on the My Web Mixes drop-down menu. You can search for a web mix by name, create your own, or search the gallery by subject or most popular. The last option is to use the web mix search feature located in the top right hand corner, which gives you a choice to search by titles, web mixes, or profiles. Select the plus button to add a new web mix to your list and name it last name, first name, Symbaloo. You can change the web mix details by selecting the Options button. This will give you the ability to rename the web mix, change the wallpaper background by selecting a picture or uploading your own, and change the web mix icon. You can also change the size of the web mix by turning on this feature and then using the arrow functions to make it larger or smaller. The see-through option allows the wallpaper background to be visible. Lastly, the Add a New Marker option allows you to quickly group tiles in a color scheme with a heading name or group them in one tile, up to 16 tiles. To create a new tile, choose any of the gray tiles in your web mix and left-click. Select the Create a Tile option for a drop-down menu. For teaching purposes, we will use the www.johnston.k12.nc.us website link. Copy the URL and then paste it into the Add the Address of the website box. Click on the name of the tile box and it should automatically put a name. Change the name to JCS Homepage and then select the Show Text option. You can change the background color of the tile, choose an icon, or upload an image. For this tile, we will keep the original icon. Select Save and the tile will appear on your web mix. Note, sometimes it takes a few seconds for it to populate, so be careful not to get click happy or you will end up with several tiles. Create another tile by selecting the Add New Tile option and then go back to the JCS homepage. Use the Select a School option in the top left corner to find your school and go to that web page. Choose the link, copy the URL, and then paste it into your Symbaloo. Name the tile, your school name, and select the Show Text option. Change the background color of the tile and then choose a different icon. You have several options in this list, so take a moment to search through some of them. To change the text color, white or black options only, select the text color desired. Click Save and the tile will appear on your web mix. To edit these tiles, use the right-click button and select Edit. You can also move or copy to another web mix and delete the tile. The Group function is a new addition to Symbaloo and allows you to place up to 16 tiles under one group heading. You can see this feature used in your eLife Symbaloo web mixes. To create a group, select one tile and drag it slowly towards another tile until you see a 4-tile group pop up, and then release it into the group. You can also create a group by using the Options feature and adding a new marker. Drag a box around the tiles you want to group and then select the group options. Right-click to edit the group name and size of the group. You can also ungroup the tiles, copy or move the group, and delete the group, which will delete all the tiles within. Choose the Edit Group Name and name this group JCS Websites and select the Show Text option. Choose the color of the tile, select an icon from the list, and choose a text color. I like to choose a different background color than my tiles so there is a definite contrast. Save the edit and it will populate the changes on your web mix. To remove a webmix from your tab list, just choose the X and it will remove it but will not delete it. If you want to restore this, choose the My Webmixes menu drop-down button to select the one you want to add. To permanently delete a webmix, select the webmix and then choose the Remove option. A confirmation box will appear to verify this is what you want to do. To share your webmix, select the Share button in the top menu and, for this assignment, choose the Privately with Friends option. Select the Share My Webmix button and it will provide the webmix link on the right-hand side of the window. Note, you only have to use this option the first time you share your webmix. To find the link again, select the Share button and choose Webmix Details. Note, do not copy the link from the URL link at the top of the page. It is also important to remember that Symbaloo does not automatically update changes. Any change you make will require you to click the Refresh button next to the Share icon. To complete your Symbaloo assignment, you will need to add 2 more JCS link tiles to your JCS website group, and then add another group with at least 5 website tiles that you use on a daily basis. Note, you will need to edit the size of the group to put all 5 websites in it. These could be YouTube, Twitter, Amazon, etc. Each tile needs to have an icon and be named. The group also needs to have an icon and be named. Once finished, get the shared link by selecting the Share icon and then selecting Webmix Details. Once completed with your Symbaloo, return to your assignment and select the Add Submission button and then write the name of the Symbaloo. For example, town, Travis, Symbaloo. Students should then highlight the title and select the Insert Edit Link button. A secondary window will appear and students should paste the link by right-clicking and pasting the link or using Ctrl-V. Please make sure the target line says Open in New Window so that your Symbaloo can be viewed in a separate window. Finally, select the Insert button. You can change the color by highlighting the name and then choosing a different color. Once you are confident you have completed everything required in the instructions, select the Save Changes button to submit your assignment for grading. If you have any questions about this assignment, please don't hesitate to email your instructor. You can also check out YouTube videos to help you with questions concerning Symbaloo.